Hello everyone, thank you for having me at this fantastic event. My name is Aldo, and I'm from Indonesia. I am the CEO and co-founder of Collabolancer. In Collabolancer, we have a vision to shaping the future of gig economy by bringing back full power to users. In this presentation, I want to share about how we are striving to make this vision a reality, why we did it, and how is our experience in developing blockchain application using the LISC SDK. First of all, let me introduce you to the people behind Collabolancer. Besides me, there is also Bayu that acts as the COO. Together, we share the same mission to create a better world using technology, especially blockchain. For that reason, we are supported by three very great people as our advisors. First, we have Mr. Ardian Perdana Putra, the executive secretary of one of the largest startup communities in Indonesia, which is MIKTI. Then, we have Mr. Muhammad Faisal, a government person from the Information and Communication Ministry of Indonesia, who also leads the largest national incubator in Indonesia, which is Seribu Startup Digital. Finally, we have Mr. Jeremy Shilson, that can guide us on how to develop and implement blockchain application that have a real significant value. Okay, so have you ever thought, what is the future of online working? How's the online work should work? And what is the key factor? Is that about fairness? Is that about minimum wages? Or is it about transparency? Fortunately for us, we have some glimpse of answer. Because recently, the International Labour Organization has reported the 18 principles of decent work in the online world, which will be the initial guides for the direction of future online employment rules. These principles emphasize equality and fairness between employers and workers. Principles such as the need for collective bargaining power for workers, the need for the ability to contest harmful activity, the need for transparency and full payment without fee deduction are some of the principles. Of course, there are 15 more other principles that are worth exploring. I highly encourage everyone to see these principles deeply so together we can be part of this global mission. Now here's the problem. Let's face it, the online world is broken. Why? The data shows that 85% of resumes are fake. At least 48% of employers have experienced fraud issues. And then 51% of freelancers have experienced at least one non-payment case. In addition, there was also a platform inefficiency where they set the fee too high, up to 30%, not to mention the withdrawal fee also. And all of this happens because centralized paradigm of the platform. In the end, it creates imbalance between workers and employers, as illustrated by the International Labour Organization report that I mentioned before. Paying attention to these problems, that's why we are creating Collabolancer, a blockchain-based freelancer marketplace that has at least three advantages: trustworthy, incentivized, and ownable. What does that mean? First, trustworthiness. Collabolancer is built on a peer-to-peer network, thereby eliminating intermediaries. Collabolancer stores our resumes, work experience history, portfolio, and other digital identities data on blockchain records, making it permanent, transparent, trackable, and verified. And not to mention, Collabolancer also provides a secure and immutable payroll solution, thanks to blockchain implementation. Next, incentivize. We understand that incentives are beyond gift. It's a driver to have a good behavior. Data shows that incentive can increase up to 22% service capacity that leads to loyalty. Collabolancer will provide incentive in the form of tokens for all parties when the work has been done. Last but not least, ownable. Thanks to blockchain technology, for the first time in human history, now we can achieve true ownership of our digital data. Just imagine, now you can have an ownership of a submission file in your projects like you own a property. Imagine, you can have an ownership of your digital portfolio like you own your NFT, which is very mind-blowing in my opinion. In addition, blockchain is also enabling a true decentralized platform that empowered us to become an ownership economy-based platform, which is a platform owned by all token holders, not just a single central entity. Ownership economy is actually good. Based on research, it can increase job tenure by 53%. So in short, the owner of Colabolancer is you, not us. Then, here is the timeline of the progress and partnership that Colabolancer has achieved up until now. Starting from August 2020, when we joined the List Prudence program. Then, in March 2021, together with various startups from various fields in Indonesia, we agreed to collaborate together and strive on a big vision to grow the Indonesia blockchain ecosystem. We collaborate with Edukasi 4.0, an educational startups. We also collaborate with Zens.id, a financial technology startups, and also we collaborating with Interaction.live, an online interaction tool startups. In the future, we hope that this collaboration can create an important blockchain innovation with real value for users. After that, in April 2021, we have officially formed a team, a group of advisors, and a legal entity for Colabolancer. So from now on, we are ready to take this project into a more serious product. Next, let's talk about our experience using List SDK, which is really impressive. Here's why. The first and most important experience to mention, List is 100% JavaScript. What does that mean? It means that we don't have to learn another language to create blockchain innovation. We also don't need to use different tools. Just use tools that we already familiar with. Then, documentation is excellent with great tutorial example. It's easy to understand, it's well structured, and we can search for whatever we want. After that, List SDK version 5 also introduced the fully flexible modular design, which basically we can create anything we want. Not to mention, List is one of the most actively developed blockchain projects in whole blockchain space. With great community supports, is making the entire developer experience much more fun. Now, I will share my experience of migrating from List SDK version 3 to version 5. In the latest version, a new concept is introduced. Some of them are the concept about modules, plugins, and assets, with on-chain and off-chain architecture. This concept provides quite a lot of choice, so we need to learn it in the first place. But after we understanding it, basically we can make whatever we want, in any way we want. It's very flexible. Next, with List SDK version 5, we also need to make a schema before entering data into the blockchain. Finally, with List SDK version 5, we don't need to create the undo asset function, which is very convenient. Overall, I have to say that I enjoy this migration experience pretty much. Okay, that's all for me. Of course, you can reach me either via LinkedIn, Twitter, Discord, email, or even via phone. I will be more than happy to have a discussion with you. So contact me. Before I end this presentation, one thing that I want to emphasize about List, in my perspective, List is successfully enabling the true blockchain application developer. Not just a smart contract application, not just a decentralized application, but your very own blockchain application. And this is something that I never dreamed of before. So good job, and thank you for making my dream a reality. So that's it. See you on another occasion, and have a good day. Thank you.